I'm William Grantham with Ichimoku and I've been challenged to do a trade a day. And so this is my trading plan for REET, R-E-E-T, which is the iShares Global REIT ETF. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. The goal of the challenge is to see if we can hit the target before we hit the stop, and both are at 10%. So taking a look right here, we will readjust our entry based upon a market order that would go in on the first trading day that's coming up, and that will be on Monday. Right now, we have the green line at the close of market trading here to be able to give us an idea of what's going on. That's at $28.20, and the 10% below that is $25.38, and then 10% above it is at $31.02. We will adjust these based upon where the open is on Monday as we put in our paper trade. Here, that is the trading plan. And looking at an average true range safety zone, we take $28.20 as our entry. We subtract the 10% stop at $25.38, and that gives us $2.82. We have an average true range of 29 cents. We divide that into it, and we divide that into 282, and it shows that we have a 9.72 average true range safety zone. So that means that it could take, on average, if the market moves on the average of 29 cents a day, it could take up to 9 trading days to trade down to the stop and stop us out. And inversely, it could take 9 days or more to go up and hit the target. And usually it takes longer to hit a target than it does to hit a stop. So we'll take in the challenge here to see if we can hit the target before we hit our stop. We have a 0.14 expense ratio, so we are on the lower side for this particular ETF. Here on the daily chart, we did come into the first of the year being above the cloud. We pretty much rode the blue Tenkan-sen up all the way. The blue Tenkan-sen being above the red Kijun-sen most of the way. We had a little bit of consolidation here a little while ago, and then we did have a cross where the blue Tenkan-sen moved above the red Kijun-sen, and that created a bullish channel that we are currently inside, with the blue sloped up a little bit, showing momentum to the upside on the short term. However, the red has gone flat, which means that we have stalled a little bit with the momentum according to the Kijun-sen. Looking back at the weekly, we can see that we did have a 10-year high of 28.9 back here in October before we came in and have the COVID drop, where market prices came down all the way to $15.62, came up, consolidated a little bit, but then in looks like November, we did have a gap up above the cloud, and then it had a little consolidation, hit the Tenkan-sen on the weekly, came charging up, and has pretty much been riding the Tenkan-sen all the way up into our current position. We do have a bullish channel open on the weekly as well. For support on the weekly, we had the blue Tenkan-sen here and the red Kijun-sen here, and the black 200 period simple moving average is underneath our stop, so that's not providing us any support at this time. Resistance above us is the high at 28.9. I'm William Grantham with Ichimoku and REET, the iShares Global REIT ETF, is my choice here for Friday for the Trade a Day Challenge, and this is my trading plan moving into this particular entity. May your trades be true and your profits strong.